Hi, my name is Aemal Sayer. I build voice AI agents in Germany, and I give these regular workshops on a monthly basis. I have already given 5 workshops throughout the year. I was not there for a couple of months. Now I'm coming back with my regular monthly free workshops in Berlin and hybrid online. And the next one is coming. We're going to again build a voice AI agent, but this time with another software. It's called SynthFlow. SynthFlow is a software company that builds voice AI agents based out of Berlin. And I have prepared this demo, which is basically used for appointment booking. I'm going to initiate a call. We will be focusing the entire workshop on outbound calls. So the agent is going to just give me a phone call. There we go. I got a phone call.
Hi there.
Hello, dear. How are you doing?
Hey, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you? How's your day going so far?
So far, so good. Can I book an appointment with you for tomorrow at 2 p.m.? I would like to have a conversation about n8n, the workflow automation, the possible future of this industry, especially with voice AI agents in the contrast. And it should be for like 90 minutes call.
Got it. You'd like to schedule a call tomorrow at 2 p.m. to discuss work automation, voice AI agents, and their role in the industry. Let me check my availability for that time. Hang tight for a moment. Let me check the calendar for you.
I would like
Your appointment for tomorrow at 2 p.m. is all set. We'll have a detailed chat about work automation,
for how long did you book it?
And industry contractors. Looking forward to it. Anything else you'd like to add?
Yeah, for how long did you book it?
I've tentatively set it for 30 minutes. Does that work for you, or would you prefer a longer session?
Yeah, a longer session would be nice. Let's do it for 90 minutes. So for 1.5 hours, 90 minutes.
Got it. Let me update the booking to make it a 90-minute session instead. One moment while I adjust that for you.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
Let me check the calendar for you.
So as you saw, the failure happened. The current technology of this so-called ASR, automatic speech recognition, sometimes do not understand. But we'll see and build things in real life, and you can also see the transcript. I don't know, somewhere I said 90 minutes in the call that you saw, but it couldn't pick it, and then I emphasized it picked it, and then it updated the calendar entry. And as a part of this, we will also touch n8n a lot. We will go from very basics to the level where the backend for this, the n8n will provide. Right now, I have built like literally this demo to kind of blindly take and put everything in here. So what you just saw came through this interface, and it was literally just one piece of like one shot. But we will do a lot more of n8n. Why am I doing this? And why did I do in the past 5 of these in Berlin? The reason is because I did a company called VoiceKit, a voice AI agent a startup that like literally had just one interface and multiple tools attached to it. And if you go to my website, aemalsayer.com, on portfolio, and here you can find a lot of content about this. The video pitch that I did in Techstars acceleration program, a demo of it while I'm driving. We were focusing entirely on this voice agent that runs inside the car, and we were basically taking it to the world and trying out different things. Imagine this Knight Rider from the TV series 1980s, or if you also are aware of this amazing movie, Her 2013. So basically, we were building Samantha from that time. And during those 2 years or 1.5 years of running this company, I literally found an amazing tool here that I was fascinated about, n8n. So I was using literally n8n for all the orchestration layer of my company. And I am bringing that education to the world after liquidating my company and starting a new company, Avenai, where we build AI agents for enterprises. And I have started this journey somewhere in March, actually in February. The very first one was in February, but I'll leave a comment of this Google document for you so that you can go and see a full video, full 4.5 hours long video of this first workshop. First workshop that we did. Around 80 people showed up. Really vibrant community around AI agents and voice AI agents and people willing to learn about this technology. This is March 2025, and I'm building a very simple voice AI agent and teaching everyone how to build this. Not only just kind of like very simple things, but also very complex scenarios and no requirements. And at the time we were using VAPI. So we used VAPI, we used 11 Labs, we're planning to use SynthFlow in the next one. And also I go and lock myself into a room and produce really bite-sized video content. You can see like 4 minutes, 9 minutes, 6 minutes. The tutorial that basically accompanies that particular workshop. The next one happened in May. This is the big one. We have like around 120 people in a room, and we had a lot of fun running it. And this is the time when I get this concept of champions, and they kind of like come and help me run the workshop, because 120 people in a room, you can't actually support everyone when it's hands-on session. And then these champions standing on the tables, these are the champions, standing on each table, supporting people on following all the steps. This is amazing. This really worked very, very well. We, despite the fact, had some internet issues. You can see here, there's no internet, and still I'm smiling with my real teeth. My teeth right now is prosthesis. I had a terrible accident, broke both my jaws, my chin. I have 2 metal plates right now here, 8 screws holding those metal plates. But still, I keep smiling, and I keep delivering these workshops for free to the world through this technology that I built called VibeStage, live streaming this workshop experience that I do in person, and building Samantha, one workshop at a time. So anyways, there are all these pictures that you can look at. And then the June version happened. As I mentioned before, the study materials are all there. Like literally every single one of these courses walk you through step by step on how to build that voice AI agent. And there are a lot of photos as well. As I mentioned, a lot of recordings, like professionally recorded videos of like this entire workshop and multicam views, and you can follow along with all this content that I'm generating, all 100% for free. And the third part happened in June, where we had again a lot of people really interested in this kind of workshop, hands-on workshop, full day, and then voice AI agents and building everything from scratch. Not only kind of like doing the educational part, but also having a lot of fun when doing it. Like this is the time when I'm testing VibeStage new version with this wireless feature. And the most important thing is like these success stories. Like for example, Jose is now working at n8n. He participated. This lady, forgot her name, Marta or something. She has a beauty salon. She built a voice AI agent for her beauty salon. And that Daniel, he is a video director. He learned vibe coding, and he built a lot of cool vibe coded things. And I'm also the AI Builders host, and Daniel came in AI Builders and he presented his vibe coding platforms, and so on and so forth. And the success stories goes on and on from these voice AI agent workshops that I've been running lately. And then the part 4 was happening again. We did this a little bit in a spatial setup. I haven't yet put it there. Day 1, day 2. I will put these 2 links of this. It was a little bit of a different setup. We kind of like went for 2 days, 100% virtual, and we built a full-fledged voice AI agent that takes memory nodes. It basically, you can find them by going to my YouTube channel and then literally searching for inside videos, if you search for day one, you should be able to find this 8-hour long video content, which I will also put it here. This is going to be day one. And there is going to be day two. I'm not just going to do it right now to not bore you, but we had like a very detailed n8n workflow built that basically uses, as you can see, it uses 11 labs, and it takes memory nodes, it stores it into a Supabase vector database, and then you can search it back. And also we touched a lot of core concepts here, a lot of whiteboard sessions and so on. Then happened part 5, and this is literally after my injury, and there were some photos from here. This time I was not kind of like really, what do you call it, in tone yet, therefore I did it a little bit easier. We also did hybrid. It was not so many people. I think we were like 25, 30 people, but still the thing continued. And in between this time, what I also, there's also like the entire video of this played back 5.5 hours of all the content that we went through and built step by step. All the views is there. This is like a month ago, live stream. What I in between did was I built a very, very detailed tutorial series here. You can see 57 lectures of n8n, a voice AI agent that calls back prospects using a kind of like a contact form. As soon as the prospect fills the contact form, the voice AI agent calls them using 11 labs and Twilio, and then extracts some information, qualifies the lead, and then we also did vibe coding using Next.js and Supabase and Claude Code and a whole bunch of cursor and a whole bunch of cool content sitting there right away. And what happened, which kind of like pushed me a little bit away from doing this on a regular basis, is this amazing n8n starter session that we're taking to the world. Right now, we are just about to finish the 7th one in London next week, and then a whole new series will come along, and therefore there was a little bit delay. So after August, there was none in September. Perhaps it might not happen in October. In early week of November, I'm coming back with this combination of n8n and SynthFlow. SynthFlow is maybe a few words about this amazing company. SynthFlow is another amazing company coming from Berlin City, and this is a 29 million funded company, and they are providing all the compliant voice AI agent platforms. And I'm intending to use this as the voice interface because I already covered VAPI, I already covered 11 Labs. SynthFlow is next, and I will keep covering other platforms in combination with n8n. So right now, this video was kind of like a teaser of what's coming up next. I am looking forward to sponsors. I'm looking forward to champions, these individuals who would volunteer, whom I will teach the workshop content a week in advance in great detail. And then they will be present in person or online. This time I'm going to open the champion program both online and in person. And I'm looking for, as I mentioned, sponsors, for food, for pizza, for drinks, for venue. And also I'm looking for participants. So if you are curious about what is n8n, what is an AI agent, how can you build a voice AI agent that, as I showed this demo, that can give you a phone call and can actually book a meeting, this is your day. It's going to be a full day workshop. It's going to start at 9 a.m. It's going to go throughout the day until 5 p.m. We'll have like a little bit of a break in between, since it's live stream recorded with a lot of with a lot of tutorials backing it up. we will not take any break. I will go in one go for 8-9 hours non-stop, talking. Even I will have my lunch during the break, and I'll engage with my online viewers and also with people in the room. They can have their lunch and talk to me. So I will go non-stop for 8-9 hours. I've done it before multiple times, and I'm gonna do it again somewhere in end of October or somewhere early November. So it depends on venue booking, when the venue is available, and it depends on the sponsors I find and how many people are going to register. So use this Luma page and the video comment of this video, register. I'm looking forward to seeing you either online or in person in Berlin. Let's have another wonderful Voice AI Agent workshop very, very soon. See you there.